Hey, it's Steve. Want to do everything you can to fight multiple sclerosis? Rob Herska commented that he was fond of cold water showers to reduce his symptoms, and he takes them 1 to 2 times a day. You might be wondering why on earth you would do something like this. I mean, cold temperatures can make your symptoms worse, and sometimes it makes you feel flat out uncomfortable. But with MS, the cold might make you feel it's harder to move your limbs, and also it might get more muscle spasms and make your muscles feel tighter. So again, I ask, why do it? Sounds crazy, right? Well, it turns out that the benefits of cold exposure therapy are significant for MS. So I'm not crazy, and I feel them. Try taking a cold shower. It may seem like a superficial fix at first glance, but it's not. The benefits of cold water immersion actually run deeper than just the superficial. So, to start off, cold water lowers temperature and constricts blood vessels. That helps reduce neural inflammation. But it goes deeper than that. MHC Class 2 are a class of major histocompatibility complex molecules. Exposure to the cold balances the activity of these inflammatory monocytes by decreasing their antigen-presenting capacity. This renders T cells less activated, which play a crucial role in the fight against multiple sclerosis. A cold shower can increase stimulation of the vagus nerve. So you may ask, what is the vagus nerve? Well, it's the longest and most complex of the 12 cranial nerves that connect your brain to your body. It has significant anti-inflammatory effect on brain inflammation. All of this provides the mechanistic link between environmental temperature and neural inflammation. So, let me tell you my everyday routine. I start by getting in the shower and angling the shower head towards the wall. I put my head against the wall and turn on the freezing water. So freezing. It takes my breath away. It hits my head and runs down my spine. After a few minutes, I start to twist the shower head to the normal position and start to be inundated under the freezing water. I would recommend hold on to something if you have a hard time balancing. After a few minutes, the coldness actually starts to feel warmer. This is because my body is working harder to maintain homeostasis at my core temperature, which burns energy. Studies have shown this energetically costly stimulus markedly ameliorates active EAE in mice, which leads me to believe it's not different than us with MS. I can only say doing this is hard to start, especially if you suffer from spasticity. But let me tell you, it gets easier the more you do it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss a video. Until the next one.